Welcome back to another video. Today we have the Black Friday starts now email from Harbor Freight. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon. Yes guys, we got a 15% off and a 20% off coupon. Save on everything store wide. So basically this is a killer coupon. I definitely recommend you guys check it out. This is definitely something we've been waiting for the longest time ever. They're pretty much giving everything for 15 for 15 or 20% off the whole store basically. So be sure to check it out. We got a coupon number that you need to show this coupon. Coupon number 56660478. It says limit 1 per customer per day. Save 15% on any single purchased item. Cannot be used with other discounts. Coupon are any of the following items: Black Friday price items, Inside Track Club discounted membership, extended service plan, gift cards, not valid in prior purchases, non-transferable original coupon must be presented, valid 10/30 to 11/1. So you guys only have 3 days now through Saturday. So Friday, today, Sunday, or Saturday and Sunday. Definitely check it out. This is a killer coupon here for all the stuff that we haven't seen before. I should be having a top 10 or probably a top 5 item, 5 items that you could get with this coupon. Probably the better ones, without that never go on sale, or the ones that are get lower. But I'll do it on the 20% here. Anyways, if you guys sign up for Inside Track Club, you guys get the 20% off. It's recommended for you guys to do it in the store. It's just quicker. So if you guys are gonna sign up for the Inside Track Club, just do it at the store and present your coupon and get your item for 20% off. All right, moving on. So it says save on everything store wide. So they got Yukon US General Series 2 Icon, Bauer. Guys, you guys could buy all the Icon tools, the toolboxes, the wrenches, all the tools, all the toolboxes from US General, all the toolboxes from Yukon, all the sanders, the Bauer, the Hercules, the drills, the impact drivers from Earthquake. That's just crazy. They are having their Black Friday now, I guess. This is a true Black Friday deal. 15% off of the generators, the power washers. As a matter of fact, I think I'm gonna pick up a generator. 15% off of the Atlas. So if you need a mower, you need a chainsaw, whatever, this is the time. For that firewood. Vulcan, the welders, the Daytona, the jacks, the compressors. 15% off everything else. Guys, so this is the time for you guys to purchase what you're going to be purchasing. And if you have a credit card, it's even better. You get an extra 10% off entire purchase, no exclusives. There you go. So if you apply for a credit card, you get 15% off, and then plus you're getting 10% off. So you're getting a whopping 25% off your entire purchase, basically, or on that item, because you can only get this on one item. Make sure you guys choose your item wisely, because you can only get it on one item. I mean, you could go to different stores and probably try to do it, but it's up to you if you want to do that. But or you could do that three days. You could do that Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, so you could get a total of 3 items in the same store. So no big deal. So yeah, guys, that's it for today. We got a smoking deal here on this Black Friday coupon, 15% off, guys. This is a great time for all those toolboxes, tool accessories, everything, tools, icon tools. Guys, check it out. Definitely check it out. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, and I'm gonna make a video about the top 5 items you can get with this coupon. Okay, thank you guys.